Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you folks, for those of you who don't know, how to replace the blade on a utility knife. In this particular instance, you need one tool, a flathead screwdriver. It's got one screw right here. And the reason I'm replacing my blade today is because I'm doing a paint job and I've got to remove some of the paint tape. So you got your screw, and I need a nice clean blade, a new blade. So inside of here, your utility knife, as you can see, you have your blade that you've been using and a spot for extra blades. So what you'll do is you'll remove your old blade. In here, there's a spot for extra blades, 4, 5, 6 of them, something like that. You'll see a little slot right here where you can line up. There's a tab there and a tab at the back, so you can't go wrong. Put your new blade down. Simply take your half of the utility knife, put it back together, line up the hole, put your screw back in, tighten it down. Not too tight. You don't need this thing cranked in there, just nice and snug. And voila, you've got your new blade inside. Well, I might have tightened that down too tight. Yes, I did. So that's what I mean by don't tighten it down too tight and you can't open it. So there you go. That's an old school Stanley. It looks like the model number 10-099. Had this for a long time, made in the USA. I have some of the newer styles. I do like the sleekness of this style utility knife. It slides in your pocket. Some of the new ones have ridges and whatnot. You go to pull it out, get stuck. This one's sleek, dependable. You can put some kind of it's got a hole here for a clip or a paracord or something to hang off your belt waist, but I always use mine in my side pant for my Carhartts or key pants. Hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a like, give it a subscribe. We're going to be doing videos like this quite often. Just simple how-to videos. Like and subscribe if you like it. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.